Hey everybody, this is Brad over here at Chattanooga Fishing Fun. Today we're going to be doing a video on one of our most commonly asked questions. How do you let down the manual rear awning on a Lance camper? So stay tuned.
We're going to do the manual Lance awning. Show you how to open and close the awning on the back of the Lance camper. First we'll release the locks, traveling locks. One on each side. And you have to flip your release lever for the awning to unreel it. I guess put on free spool. That's what I call it. Pull it out. We're not going to pull it all the way out because the camper's sitting down on the ground so close. Do it a little bit at a time here. Bring these stabilizers out, one on each side. You see it over here, then pull this out here. And pull the other side out. I'm just working it up a little bit at a time because we're down it's close to the ground. There you go, and that's the Lance camper awning clear out. And if you want to, if it's raining a little bit or something, you don't want to puddle up, you can kind of let one side down more than the other so it's angled. That's how you pull it out. All right, you ready? Now we're going to show you how to put the camper awning back down. Just reverse everything we just did. Now you have to go back and release this so it'll free spool back the other way. I always just pull it here by hand. Or, sorry. You gotta let these back in first. Put these back down. Down there. Now we'll release the awning so it'll pull back up. Let it run back up. Just make sure before you take off or load your camper back up that you put these travel locks back down for safety. One on each side. And there you have it. Snug up your support brackets there so the screws don't come on. And that's it.
That concludes the video on how to set up the rear manual Lance awning. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you have any questions or any suggestions on upcoming videos, go ahead and comment below. And as always, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.